Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here. As you are aware, Accenture is conducting the examination in physical mode for ASE and SASA role. That means you have to be physically present at exam location to write the Accenture examination. Now, student has lot of queries with respect to the physical exam, and also they wanted to know the cutoff of the examination. So each and everything we are going to discuss in this video. Now the first very important point is, friends, no need to carry your laptop or headphone. Okay, so you do not have to carry your laptop or headphone. So there will be a computer, that means desktop, they will be providing you, and headphone is not required basically. Okay, so don't carry any laptop or any headphone, right? So this is one of the biggest confusion, because Accenture in the email they have mentioned the required RAM for the laptop or your desktop. So please do not carry. So they will provide you laptop, I mean the desktop. Okay, and second thing, friends, take a pen with you. So only take a pen with you. They will give you paper. So when you will ask them, okay, so if you'll ask them, they will give you paper so that you can do the required calculation in mathematics. Okay, so I will explain you more about that, like where the exam was conducted, okay, what was the time slot, exam level questions, all those things I will discuss. Okay, and friends, once you will finish your examination, then you will be getting a mail instantly after 10-15 minutes that congratulations on clearing the cognitive assessment. You will receive a notification for taking the communication assessment soon with your login credentials. Okay, so for ASC role, for SASA role, each and everything will be discussed. Before that, friends, one thing which I wanted to tell you, so there are many students who has cleared the examination. So hi sir, I would like to thank you. I have successfully cleared Accenture on campus cognitive and technical assessment round only because of you. Okay, here also you can see. So thank you so much for your support, sir. Only because of your videos, I have cleared my cognitive test today, and I am selected for the next round, which is a communication round. Once again, thank you, Pratik sir. So friends, this crash course, no, what I was telling you is very beneficial. Okay, so if you have a still examination on 4th or 5th of October or coming, then you can get this crash course, right? Because you are traveling so much far, you are taking the examination very seriously. But if your preparation is not good and if you don't get selected, you will be always regretting. Okay, so the link is given in description. So get the course right now. Even you can study in 2 days. The crash course is designed in such a way, and the crash course is very much effective. You can see the comment across our applications, you can see the comment across YouTube channels, right? So this crash course is very much effective for cracking this Accenture examination. You can also go and check the content. Even we have covered the examination which happened on this particular September month itself. Okay, so get it right now and make sure you crack Accenture exam. Okay, friends, the exam slot was 9 to 12 a.m. 12 p.m. for this particular candidate. Okay, so exam time slot was 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and you have to report an hour before. So basically they will be asking you to report an hour before. Okay, and where was the place? So the exam at physical mode was in Hyderabad, and the college name was Narasimha Reddy Engineering College. Okay, friends, original PAN card is must, and don't forget to carry print out of your admit card. So this you have to keep in mind. So either you have to take your original PAN card, or I think they had mentioned the e-PAN card also will be valid. Okay, so this is very much required to write the examination. Okay, and then exam level is easy to moderate. So the exam level which will be there, no, it's easy to moderate. So friends, all the questions, see whatever has been done in this crash course, no, so if you do this all the videos, right, then you will be easily able to crack. Don't worry about that. So whatever questions has been covered already in our crash course, that is more than sufficient to crack this Accenture examination. Okay, now so let us talk about the cutoff. So friends, cutoff will be generally 60 to 70%, but I will tell you. So if you want offer letter from Accenture, okay, so if you want offer letter or joining from Accenture, then your each and every round will be counted. That means your written test. Okay, so that means your written test, communication round, and plus interview round, right? So interview round, in all three you have to score well, and then only you will be getting the offer letter or joining. See, it's not like that. You see, suppose the written test, if the cutoff is 70%, you scored 70 here. Support communication round, you have to cover 70%, 70%. In interview, 70%. So what is happening is, so you are covering the minimum percentage marks, right? So you are covering the minimum percentage marks, right? So you have to score more and more in all the rounds, because your total, so for your offer letter or joining letter, so each and every stage marks will be added. Okay, so don't take either your communication round or any round, don't take lightly. Anyway, the cutoff will be around 60 to 70%. See, if you score minimum cutoff in every round, it doesn't mean that you will be getting offer letter or joining letter, because definitely the preference will be given to the student who score more and more in every round. Okay, so cutoff will be around 60 to 70%, but you have to score more and more in every round. So try to score more, because marks will be added for your final selection. So friends, now next round will be your communication round, as you can see here. See, okay, one more thing which I wanted to tell you here, just a minute. So friends, there are two basically profiles are there, ASE and SASA role. Okay, now friends, for ASE we have cognitive means we have here reasoning will be there. Okay, MS application will be there, networking will be there, networking and cloud. Okay, and SASA I will write here. Aptitude will not be there, so don't worry about that. Aptitude questions like average, percentage, profit and loss, so this kind of questions won't be there. So only reasoning questions will be there. That's what I was telling you. So you can refer this reasoning videos and you can see. So the topics like classification, arrangement, blood relation, coding, decoding, critical reasoning, data sufficiency, figure based problem, direction, non-verbal, puzzle, syllogism, sitting arrangement, ranking test, counting figures, okay, number and letter analogy, number series. So this kind of topics will be there in your reasoning, so there won't be any question from the aptitude. MS application will be there, networking and cloud will be there. Okay, and what else will be there? So if you go back here, okay, so you can see fine, cloud and networking. Okay, and then we are also providing the mock test series. Okay, fine. And then coding, a pseudo code will be there. Okay, then pseudo code will be there. And this is round one for AC, and round two will be coding round. Okay, coding round. And round three will be your communication round. Okay, now for SASA role, friends, the first round will be cognitive. Okay, and there will be no coding round, and then the next now round will be the communication round. Okay, so this you be very clear. So this is basically for a candidate who has cleared the SASA role. So congratulations on clearing the cognitive assessment. You will receive a notification for the communication assessment soon with your login. Now friends, one thing which I wanted to tell you, so this communication round mostly will be online. Okay, so for that you do not have to go to the center, because anyway your voice and your video will be captured. Okay, and this is something like communication round is, if they will tell Accenture physical exam review, so you have to repeat it, right? So this Accenture communication round will be mostly your online, but don't take it lightly, because even though communication round is a non-elimination round, okay, but the marks will be added for your final selection. Okay, now friends, mock interview. So for mock interview, what you can do, so for mock interview you can book a slot here. So I will put the link here. So interview preparation and tips or live mock interview, so this two anyone you can book. Okay, so it is 199 rupees, and I will be spending 10 minutes with you, and I will take a mock interview, like how it will be done in your actual interview of Accenture. Okay, so you will be getting an idea what to prepare, and you will be also having a face-to-face interview, so it will give you a lot of confidence before you go for the actual interview. Okay, so thank you, take care, and all the very best. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon, so that you will be getting the continuous notification. Thank